Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how can you download stability matrix on your computer. So for downloading that, open any web browser. So now search here for the stability matrix. So here is a website called Stability Matrix, the ultimate AI art manager. Click on it. Now click on this download button. So here you can see here is a stable version of the stability matrix. So now click on this download now. So here you can see that the downloading has been started. So this is how you can download the stability matrix on your computer. I hope this video is helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please do like, share and subscribe. And thanks for watching.